Welcome to Sharkroll Casino. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to make a crypto deposit to your account safely and easily. Once you're logged in to sharkroll.io, click on your wallet icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the Deposit tab. Click on Choose a Deposit Method and select the Crypto Transfer option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use and make sure to select the correct network. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. If you wish to use a bonus or promo code, you can select it here. When you're ready, click Proceed to Payment. A crypto wallet address will be generated. Copy this address carefully. Now, open your personal crypto wallet. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose earlier. Then click on Send. Paste the wallet address you copied from the casino. Enter the same amount you typed earlier and click Confirm to start the transaction. Double-check all details and confirm the payment in your wallet. Now, just wait a few moments while the transaction is processed. Once it's complete, you'll see successful payment on the screen. Now, go back to the Sharkroll Casino page, where you'll see a successfully deposited sign. Your deposited amount will now appear in your Sharkroll Casino wallet, ready for you to play. That's it! You're ready to start your gaming experience at Sharkroll. Play smart and good luck.